Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer Ultraflow electric toothbrush. This current variant is blue. This particular electric toothbrush comes with 31,000 vibrations per minute, 6 brushing modes, auto indicators to switch brushing area, IPX7 waterproof rating, and 3 ultra soft brush heads. The variant is blue, that I mentioned earlier. There's some more information here. Motor speed is 16,500 RPM per minute. Rated power 1 watt when charging. Size of toothbrush is 208 by 25 by 25 millimeter and weighs around 58 grams. This is very light. 6 modes: clean, soft, whiten, polish, sensitive, and massage. And that's more or less it. Package includes 1 handle, 3 toothbrush head, and 1 USB charging cable. Furthermore, this comes with a rechargeable battery, a 600 mAh rechargeable battery. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. These are the components of the box. We have a user manual for the Hammer Ultraflow. Everything that you want to know is mentioned over here. You should not lose this document. We have 2 ultra soft bristle attachments. I'm not going to take them out of the wrapper, but I will show you how to remove the head. And this is the USB-A charging cable for this particular electric toothbrush. This is what the toothbrush looks like. This is the Hammer Ultraflow electric toothbrush. This comes with a bristle cover as well. These are all ultra soft toothbrush. They don't have medium or hard bristles. They're all ultra soft bristles. You remove the head by twisting it like so. Just twist. Alright, sorry. Okay, just pull, I guess. So there you go. Just pull and the head comes off, and you can now attach a new head on top of it. I will put this back. There you go. And this is the charging port. This is where this particular charger will go in, and the other end you can connect to a USB-A adapter or a PC or laptop should you choose to. And notice that this comes with an ergonomic handle as well. And this is the button that you use to turn it on. Let's see if this turns on. I guess I have to put it on charge. Let me do that quickly and see if this actually works. I would like to take you through the different settings if possible. I will connect it to my laptop over here, and this part goes in over here. And okay, I'm getting this light is blinking, which basically means it's getting charged right now. I will see if this works. Okay, it's still not working, so I'm assuming this needs to be charged before it's ready for any kind of function. So I'm going to leave it here. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Hammer Ultraflow electric toothbrush. The current variant is blue. Thank you for watching.